Welcome back to the Neurons channel. So today I'm going to be doing a challenge, a competition. Today I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be finding, I have 3 competitors here. So what's your name, Kamau?
Yes, come out.
What's your name?
Tamaranda.
What? What's your name?
I'm Newton.
Uh-huh.
Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Newton Jigumi.
So it's going to be a challenge of finding this car's remote, and I've hidden it somewhere at my grandmother's place. Yeah, if you're wondering why I'm not the same place where I was last time, because I'm in my other grandmother's place. So well, Newton, why did you come to this competition?
Because I want to win the car.
What about you, Kamau?
The car.
What about you?
I want that car because it's so amazing.
Yeah.
And it has a
Twendeni huko ni yangu.
Eh, so you're going to start the competition in 3, 2, 1, go. So there they go, all the competitors. Let's follow them. Usiende kwa sha. Usiji. Tamara, toka hapo. Look at this boy, he's climbing the tree, bro. What about Kamau? Tamara. This is the boy. Look at this boy. Hi.
Hi.
Just know that car is it's $150.
I must get that one. Oh, hi guys. Oh no! I think I saw it here.
Look at those kids. Now let's go back to the big man. Do you really think it's there? So guys, let me see about today's challenge. Today's challenge is about finding the keys car. That car, let me tell you where it is. It's actually in a cupboard. Yeah, that one. It's actually there. Tamara, acha. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Do you really think it's there?
The challenge is not that easy.
Why?
Cannot find it anywhere.
I actually told the viewers where it is.
The viewers,
Yeah.
tell me where it is.
No, I can't. But I can give you a clue.
Huh?
I can give you a clue. It's let me just continue. Let me go and think of a clue, okay?
No.
I'm coming back. Let me go and think of a clue. Tell me guys, what type of clue can I give them? I was thinking about a chest of drawers, but I can't remember what it is. So let them continue. Oh, I've known. Okay, Newton, this is the clue. A chest of drawers.
I know everything.
Fudge.
Are you sure?
My remote is mine.
Even if I say a chest of drawers, it doesn't mean it's supposed to be there.
I did not ask you.
Okay, just continue.
Get out of there.
Let me just go back and show the viewers where it is. So guys, it's actually behind some stones. So, but I don't think if they're going to figure it out. It's actually behind some stones. stones. John, John.
Unamuonyesha.
Continue looking for it.
Behind some stones.
Sorry.
No problem. It's my chester. Excuse me, can you give us another clue?
No.
One clue. One clue today.
I have another clue. Down the plate, there is a chicken. Down the plate, there is a chicken.
Down a plate, there is a chicken. The remote down the plate. I think I know where is it. I have now in my brain.
Theory.
Down a plate there is a chicken.
I have another clue.
Uh-huh.
The cupboard, opposite the cupboard, there is the remote. Just pranking them.
Opposite a cardboard, there is a remote. Where is the remote?
I don't know.
Followers, just share.
By the way, say subscribe, share, and like the video.
I won't say that until I
Share,
find the remote.
subscribe, and like the video. But
Don't! Until I
just,
find the remote.
I want the remote in the car.
If I find the remote, that is the only time that you should subscribe. If I don't find the remote, don't you dare subscribe. When you subscribe, I'll know you're abnormal.
Another clue.
Look at this boy. It's digging. It's actually digging. Continue digging.
Quite innovative, but
Let me go where the remote is. So, yeah, that's the challenge. That car was actually $150. Why are you following me?
The remote.
Okay, continue following me. So yeah. So yeah, just like, subscribe,
Can you
and
give us another
follow.
clue?
Follow me in